Welcome to Lolly Publishing, where we publish kids' books with heart. If you're an author or an illustrator, we want you to have the most success possible in selling and marketing your new book. Today in our book marketing series on how to use marketing tools, we will be going over how to create a Facebook account. Facebook is a great platform to join groups and show off your children's book, connect with other authors or illustrators, and garner the support of family and friends. So let's get started. You can either use your computer and go to facebook.com or download the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, click Create New Account. Then you'll enter your name, first and last, birthday, gender, mobile phone number or email address, and your password. After these steps are complete, make sure to hit sign up. Now you're in and have your own Facebook account. You can use the search bar to find friends, family, and different groups to keep up with, and now they can also keep up with you and your new book. If you're wanting to get to your personal profile, click on your name and profile icon at the top. Then you'll be directed to your personal page. Here you can add a profile photo and other personal information if you wish. To learn more about how to use Facebook and how to use it to your advantage in promoting your new book, watch for our next video. If you found this video helpful and don't want to miss out on more like it, make sure to hit like and subscribe. If you're not part of our Lolly Publishing family but would like to be, make sure to click the link in the description below and submit your book idea or artwork. Thanks for watching and congratulations on your new book.